morning, everyone! Pasalamat lang ako sa inyong lahat because this morning, when I wake up, merong notification si FB na nire-recognize niya yung mga contents ko and mga videos, and then I start conversation with all of you, especially my followers in FB. Thank you very much for all the support. I really appreciate it. After 2 months of hard work, ayan, meron na tayong recognition again. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. More videos to come. Bye-bye! Lucky day! For me,
Pink and black.
this beautiful. My good friend, Jessie Glova.
Thank you,
From head. Love it. Hi, friend.
Hello.
Palit ka ni mo.
Palit ka? Pero
Palit ka ni mo. Ay, palit mo, ni Jessie, mga
Taffy's Gate.
So, ano yung mga properties na yan?
Taffy's Gate, fronting landers. Oh. And Horizons is ours.
Wow.
Yes.
Masinaan no down payment.
Namin no down payment promo.
Ano sana?
Meron lang. Yeah.
Sa kanila?
There's a bank. Oh.
Okay. Is this? Please follow
Please follow and subscribe.
Jessie Glova channel and my channel.